She got coffee. Thank you, Lord. So I am on my way to work, but first I had to go stop and get some breakfast because I did not do a good job. If you notice this, don't notice this. This was a button-up shirt that I actually used to like wear like out during the day, and it like I sat on the bottom of the shirt. Thank you. Have a good one. I'm sorry. I was sitting down, and then I like reached forward and my shirt ripped, and I just refused to throw it away. So I wear it strictly for when I'm working outside. And that's actually where I'm headed to now. I have a few different like gigs or jobs or like work things that I do. One of them is that I'm a educator for this youth employment program. It's like agricultural based, so I work with like a group of teenagers, and we work on the land, and they learn like life readiness skills and how to like have a job through the experience of learning how to grow food, and teaching younger kids how to grow food and connecting with the land, things like that. I'm on my way there, so of course I'm wearing my little ripped up shirt. I did buy a new one. Yeah, it's your turn. You go. Thank you, girl. Oh, I was about to say, I know you're not getting the attitude. Today is Thursday. Yay! Today is Thursday, and I am working until noon. Right now it is 8:26. I'm supposed to be at work at 8:30. I'm definitely going to be a little bit late. I'm going to work till noon and then come home, and then at 4:30 I will be going to Eagle Heights Community Garden because I will be filming 2 episodes of Let's Grow Stuff in 1. So it's going to be one of those like packed days as far as filming goes, because typically I only do 1 episode at a time, but sometimes we just decide that it's more efficient. What are you doing? Child, this car in front of me is swerving and derving for no reason, and I'm really confused. I have to focus when people driving crazy in front of me. If you can't see my mirrors, I can't see you. I should have gotten in front of this trash can truck. Is there another trash can on this street? Although I could just go straight and then go around that mug. Because you will stop again. Oh, well, hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I am good. I'm doing some phenology data really quick, and then I am to Cincinnati.
Oh, what are you going to Cincinnati for? Oh.
We'll see ya.
See ya.
Will be able to cook, have an arts and crafts, will be able to explore this whole space. Yay! Yeah, it's gonna be great. Great job.
Why? They're all no.
Nice job. Can you get it? Can you help?
No,
Here.
even if it's like.
Here we go. All
That's
right, cut that piece out. No. Stay on Nice job. All right, everybody. Come here.
So
can't go
don't
into
go
their house.
over the line, okay?
Remember, you can't
Come
go to
this
their
way.
house.
Come this way. Come here, Mama.
You two, go.
Come on. Watch Miss Courtney. Squat down. You don't want to do it? Here, let me do it for you.
Malaya, over here.
See, they're really nice.
Are you done?
Are you done?
Is I need to put the strings to power
Oh,
there.
perfect. You want to help me with the string? You get to be my string tire.
Or you can climb over here.
So just put the string through. Come back, sweetheart. Come back, sweetheart. Are you rolling it? Ooh.
There you go.
Give one of your papers
Yeah, that's
to,
what it's supposed
Ava
to
or
do.
China.
Here, let's go back this way because the line goes this way. Yep. You got this. Okay, come on, take another step. You got it. There you go. Woo! Good job. Okay, come down. You ready? Okay.
Yeah, I'd be her or I'd be spitting on my body. That's what I would do.
Oh, God.
I almost fell back.
I know. You scared me.
I don't wanna break your heart. Better be careful and let you down easy. Look, don't touch, baby. I line up the dominoes, 1, 2. Knock 'em down just for fun, and you fall for me. Cause I got what you need. Eeny, meeny, miny, more. Catch a lover by his door. Pick them up, then let them go. Going through the motions like it's my job.
Okay, so I am currently parked at Eagle Heights Community Garden, and I'm going to go and shoot a couple of episodes for Let's Grow Stuff, and then I'm also going to do some filming for my next video for this channel as well. I'm gonna teach you guys all about the powers of fenugreek. So yeah, join me as I do some more of my work for the day. Hello, my name is Qwantese, and I'm here at the Let's Grow Stuff garden. And it's time to smell the flowers, or better yet, plant them. On today's episode, I'm gonna...
Well, I just wanted, the audio was a bit hot there.
Oh no, probably my breath.
One for me, would you?
Okay. Hello, testing, howdy, dowdy.
More like just when you.
Oh, like actually say what I'm gonna say. Oh. Okay. Hello, my name is Qwantese. And I'm here at the Let's Grow Stuff garden. And it's time to stop and smell the flowers.
Okay, good.
Okay. You know, I should hold a flower. That's too much, isn't it?
You can no.
Because I'm like, what if
What
I
if
were
you're
like, and it's time to stop and smell the flowers.
All right, we'll get you a zinnia.
Okay. Oh, beautiful. Thank you. Hello, my name is Qwantese, and I'm here at the Let's Grow Stuff garden. And it's time to stop and smell the flowers.
Away. And like right in here.